Hello and welcome to Reused Relics, old to me, new to you. Today we are going to show you how we created our Urban Relic tie-dye t-shirt. We'll start with our premium, made in USA t-shirts. They are constructed from super soft 30 singles jersey fabric that is composed entirely of 100% ring-spun cotton, and the stitching is crafted from 100% dyeable cotton thread. We put the shirts into a soda ash solution and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. After that we squeezed out as much of the solution as possible, then ran the t-shirts through a spin cycle in the washing machine. Now we will lay the still damp shirt out flat on the table to begin the folding process. First let's bring the lower right corner of the shirt up to the top left point where the sleeve meets the shoulder. Next bring to lower left of the shirt up the right side where the center of the armpit is, with the edges staying even on the right side. We fold the right sleeve so it follows the line of the right side, then flatten out the left sleeve over the shoulder, then fold it back at an angle. Now, fold at the armpit of the right sleeve and bring it down, keeping the edges on the right lined up. Now we continue folding by taking the bottom point and fold about 3/5 of the shirt up over the collar. Flip the shirt over with the point down and fold 2/3 over the last third. Flip again to fold the point back over the top. Let's get ready to tie the shirt tightly with sinew. When we are ready to start tying, we pinch the shirt in half and make our first tie across the point at the middle. Next, we tied each end. From there we will tie in the middle of each side, then finish by tying the middle of each of the 4 sections to end up with 8 sections and 2 ends. We will bend the shirt at the middle with the point to the outside, bringing the 2 ends back up to the middle. Secure the shirt with a rubber band. Now we repeat the process through 8 more shirts for a total of 9 shirts for this design. Gathering up the shirts and setting them aside, we will start setting up for the dyeing process. Since we will be ice dyeing these, we will start by setting out pans to catch the water from the melting ice and top off with a grate. Now we will place a shirt onto each of the 9 grates. At this point we need to set up a wall around the shirt to hold the ice. Wrap the wall around the shirt and secure it with a clothespin. Continue this until all the shirts are walled and ready for dye. We will take our first dye and put it down the middle of the shirt. After repeating this for all the other shirt setups, we are ready for the next dye. Let's take the second dye, sprinkle it on each side of the first one. Next, we will put a little soda ash on top of the dye. We continued repeating those 2 steps until all the shirts were ready for ice. Now we have started filling up each of our t-shirt setups to the top with ice. Once all the shirts were iced down, we sat back and watched the ice melt. After the ice is completely melted, we wrap each shirt in plastic wrap to let it sit to process for 24 hours. It's time to rinse the shirts. Starting out with cold water, to rinse away any residual soda ash, we gradually work up to hot water, rinsing until the water runs clear. After a quick tap cold water wash, a little fabric softener, and a tumble dry, the t-shirts are ready to move on to the final step. We then sew on our label, and there you have it, a canvas of earthy elegance. The Urban Relic design is a masterpiece of muted tones, a harmonious blend of warm grays, faded ochre, hints of rust, and touches of deep sepia. These colors intertwine and dance across the fabric, creating an aura of timeless sophistication. The symmetrical pattern, meticulously crafted through the ice dyeing process, resembles an ancient architectural blueprint or a stylized city map from a forgotten era. Each line and intersection tells a story, inviting you to explore. Thank you for watching.